in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app, enter menu and go to settings. Enter Google Assistant, voice match and enable Hey Google function. Agree, next, not now, and now let's try it out. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back and enter lock screen. Also make sure that assistant responses on lock screen are enabled, and now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
Tomorrow in Krakow, it'll be partly cloudy, with a high of 33 and a low of 18.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.